What if I had a robot teacher in the year 2050? What would science classes be like? Well, here's what I imagine. First, my robot teacher would shrink us into tiny size and take us inside the human body. We could watch how food is chewed and digested, how muscles pull on bones, and how everything works together. Just like we learned in our digestion and muscles topics. Second, when learning about sound and electricity, my robot teacher would use 3D holograms of drums, guitars, wires, and circuits. We could move our hands to change the pitch of brightness and even build circuits in the air. Third, we wear VR glasses and go on trips to explore real habitats like jungles, deserts, oceans, and icy pools. We see how animals adapt, and it will feel like we were actually there. Just like when we study living things in the environment. Fourth, the class will have a virtual science lab where we could heat, freeze, and mix things, but all digitally. No mess, no waste, just fun with experiments on matter, solutions, and changes, like we learned in materials and their properties. Fifth, sometimes the robot will turn into a game show host. We play science quizzes, earn points, and unlock challenges while learning new science facts. But even though robot teachers sound awesome, I still want both robots and human teachers. My human teacher understands how I feel, encourages me when I'm unsure, and tells cool real-life stories that robots can't. Humans also teach us about kindness, friendship, and values, which robots might not fully get. So I believe science class in 2050 should be a team. Robots for smart tools and humans for care and support. This is how I imagine the future of learning, and I'm really excited about it. Thank you.